Hi folks, this is Andre from Timesact, and in this tutorial I just want to show you how you can upgrade your plan in the app. So when you first install the app, you're automatically placed on the free plan, which is for your first 10 pre-orders, meaning orders that contain pre-order items, your first 10 in-stock orders, and your first 50 back-in-stock emails sent out to customers. Okay, so let's assume you've used up either one or all of these. Okay, and now it's time for you to upgrade your plan. You would go here into the Account tab, and here you'll notice that you have these three sliders that you can pull. So if I wanted to say 100 pre-orders, and I also want, let's say, 5K back in stock emails per month, then I would pull these here, and here you can see the total. There's a discount that keeps increasing the bigger the plan you choose is. Okay, and now if I wanted to activate this monthly subscription, I would hit upgrade here. It would prompt me to go into Shopify because Shopify is the one that actually charges you, not us. Okay, it just take you here to log in, and here you can accept the monthly charge. I'm on a test store, so this is grayed out, but yours would be a green button where you could hit approve, and once you hit approve, your plan would update in the app. Now, I will be making a video that's longer that will addresses your frequently asked questions about our pricing and our business model, but this is the gist of it. And of course, once you actually have a plan that you have created here, you'll automatically have an option below it to go back to the free plan, and that cancels your subscription, as does uninstalling the app. More details to follow in the longer video for this. Thank you.